Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play chess. We will begin by setting up the board, which has 64 squares arranged in an 8x8 grid. You will learn to identify the 6 distinct pieces: king, queen, rook, bishop, knight, and pawn. The ultimate goal is to checkmate your opponent's king, meaning it is under attack and cannot escape. Each piece has a specific value and role in achieving this objective. Now, let's explore how each piece moves across the board. Pawns advance 1 square, or 2 on their first move, capturing diagonally. Rooks move any number of squares horizontally or vertically. Bishops travel any distance diagonally. Knights have a unique L-shaped move, 2 squares in one direction, then 1 perpendicular. The powerful queen combines the moves of both rooks and bishops. Finally, the king moves just 1 square in any direction. Beyond basic movement, chess has crucial rules and special maneuvers. Capturing involves moving your piece to an opponent's square, removing their piece. Castling is a unique move involving your king and a rook to protect your king. En passant is a special pawn capture. We will also cover what check means for the king and how to achieve checkmate to win the game. Finally, understand stalemate, which results in a draw. To improve your game, focus on key strategic principles. Aim to control the 4 central squares early on, as this gives your pieces more influence. Develop your knights and bishops quickly, bringing them into active play. Always prioritize king safety. Castling is an excellent way to achieve this. Try to avoid moving the same piece repeatedly in the opening, as this wastes valuable time.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.